Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to do a quick unusual foundation routine that I came up with. So my skin is in between shades right now because I'm like tan, but at the same time I'm not like super tan. So I figured this method is going to work. So I'm using my NC50 Studio Fix powder foundation underneath my liquid foundation, and yes, it looks weird. It looks quite ashy, but why I did this is because my liquid foundation also tends to be a bit too orange, and then if I use the NC50 powder on the top, it also looks too yellow. So I decided to flip the two, and so I'm just gonna put this all over my face. This will also ensure that my makeup lasts the whole day because it's mattifying and it comes out quite nicely. In with my foundation. I'm using a foundation that's it's usually a bit too orange on me just by itself, but you can see how it blends out quite nicely with the Studio Fix powder on top. I'm just gonna use it little by little just to see how this sits, and I was quite surprised, like it actually matches my neck and looks quite nice. Going in with one of my favorite concealers ever. This is a MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC50. I like to use this because it's a bit red on me, so it's able to cancel out the dark circles under my eyes and around my eyes and any other places that I have pigmentation. And so I love using this just a very light layer because I feel like it sometimes becomes too heavy if you use too much. This concealer lasts the whole day. It's truly long wearing, and it also doesn't feel uncomfortable on the skin. So I'm just going to use this around my eyes. And next, I'm going to take this super light concealer. Yes, I know it looks very light, but the good thing with this is that it's very lightweight. It's like a sheer to medium buildable coverage. I like using this because it has caffeine. This is the L'Oreal True Match concealer in the shade, I think, is it like After Caramel? I don't know what it's called, but it just lightens under the eyes very nicely. It gives you like a nice dewy finish because I tend to have dry patches under my eyes, and you can see how it really blends up quite nicely on my skin tone. I'm just going over my under eyes with a bit of translucent powder. This is the Patrick Star MAC translucent powder. It's really lightweight. I just use very little on a brush. I don't like to bake too much because like I said before, my under eyes are quite dry, so this just sets and makes sure like everything is seamless and poreless. It really covers up the pores and the areas that I feel are a bit shiny. I really like this. Mineralized skin finish in the shade Deep Dark. Just gonna go over the rest of my face, especially the outside of my face. So because we had the mix of the two foundations earlier, the powder and the liquid, this Deep Dark mineralized skin finish will just neutralize and give me a bit of a warmer finish, because I feel like it's better to always have a warmer finish on the face. Then I'm just going over that with some bronzer using my Maybelline powder. This is a Maybelline face powder that I use on my forehead and around my cheeks just to give it that nice sculpted finish. And then for an easy look, this is a look I do all the time when I'm trying to be quick but I still want to look cute. I take that same bronzer on a 224 MAC brush, which is a really nice blending brush. Just use this on the crease of my eyes and just blow it upwards and outwards. This is really easy highlighter when my skin is still dewy. I feel like it just gives my skin this really nice natural like shine and dewiness from inside instead of it looking like some dust on my face. So I'm just gonna do this on my cheeks using the MAC. I think I mixed the MAC what's it called, Global Glow, mixed with some Whisper of Guilt Extra Dimension Skin Finish. Then we're going with some blush. I remember using my Red Brick eyeshadow, also by MAC, on my cheeks. I like this because it's a very natural coral finish. And then just gonna run the rest of what's on the brush on my eyes, just to give that nice dimension, and it can give a bit of like it matches kind of from my eyes to my cheeks. I'm not gonna pack too much on. I'm mainly blending majority of it towards my crease. This will give like a nice like it looks like a wet finish on my eyes, and we don't have to use too much product. And also this is a nice method if you want to prevent fallout. Because we're not going to use any eyeliner on my eyes, we're just going to do the mascara straight away. Just using my Roller Lash mascara. I really like this because I can go all the way to the root of the lash, and it kind of gives my eyes like a border like I have on eyeliner, because I go all the way to the root and it doesn't clamp up or make my eyes look like I have 3 eyelashes. So we're going to do a couple of coats of this, and both on the top and the bottom lashes. I'm using my Chestnut lip liner. This is by MAC as well. I'm overlining just the bottom of my lips just to give a fuller look. I really like doing this because it gives my lips like a new look. Like I look like I have on like super lip gloss, because I'm going to use lip gloss after this. So I'm just going to do this very carefully. The trick is to keep your pencil on the true lip line on the edges, and then when you get to the top you can overline just a little bit over the line, and this makes it look like it's a false illusion of like bigger lips or just more poutier lips. And then just to blend out that darker lip liner, I'm using Cork lip liner, also by MAC, which is more browny, more like my skin tone, a little darker, just to blend that out so that we'll be able to put on the lipstick and everything looks nice and seamless. So this is my favorite nude lipstick by MAC, one of my favorite nude lipsticks. This is the Liptensity lipstick in Well Bred Brown. So it's like a peachy, pinky kind of like nude color. So it goes really well with these lip liners. So I'm just going to use and that's it. So I'm just going over my shiny areas with what's remaining on the brush. Thank you so much for watching. I have been so under the weather, you can hear it in my voice still, but I just wanted to do this quick look, and this is something you can literally do in 20 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can write any comments, ask me any questions if you have